Hello and happy spring break, and I've got my last problem for the BC Section 1 Part A. And now I've got this series, and they want me to tell them for what interval does this series converge. And I look at it and I think, well, let's say 4 isn't a major player. Let's say I'm just looking at these two. I can rewrite this expression in a number of ways. Let's try this way. 2a minus 3 minus 2. I just brought this down by making it negative. And I've got 1 over k 2a minus 5, right? You believe me so far? Okay, so I'm looking at that function. Again, 4 wasn't going to make that big a difference, and I've got this function, and it looks like a p-series. I wish it was a p-series, because if it were a p-series, I would just have to know for what values of a is this guy greater than 1, because if it was a p-series, and that exponent were greater than 1, then I know this thing would converge. Well, let's see, 2a... adding 5 to both sides, and then dividing 2, I get that a has got to be greater than 3, which should be my answer choice E. Okay, how did I come to that conclusion so quickly? Looking at those similar bases, those equal bases, I thought, well, gosh, I'm always looking for p-series, and I can make this look like it, and then by the question that they ask for what value of a does this converge? Well, it happens when this exponent down here is going to be greater than 1. Alrighty, I appreciate your effort through this first part. If you watched all my videos, I hope you're having a wonderful spring break, and I'll see you in the next set.